In today's video, we're going to be looking at if it's actually possible to change your profile picture on Epic Games. Now, this is going to be a very quick and simple video to answer your question, so make sure to watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important details. Now, I'm on the Epic Games website here and I'm in my account settings page. And if we look through this page, we will see that there isn't actually an option to get our profile picture from here. And if we look at these other options, none of these are relevant to the profile picture either. So unfortunately, what this means is that you will not be able to change your profile picture on Epic Games. Now, although this isn't the answer that you were looking for, hopefully I have helped you out and saved you a bit of time by telling you it's not actually possible. However, this may be something that they add in the future because it does seem like a lot of people want this feature added. So I would keep an eye out on the Epic Games launcher as well as their website to see if they do actually add something like this in the future. But other than that, I hope I answered your question and hopefully you now know it's not possible to change your profile picture on Epic Games. If you did find this video helpful, please comment down below to say it helped you out and like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.